What is this project? This is a coin battery audio oscillator where I actually modify it by adding another resistor to it. This is a good oscilloscope that reads the values quickly. I've estimated the calculations to be about 6.9 kilohertz, which makes sense, but it goes from 2 volts, 3 volts, 5 volts, so it doesn't really, there's no in between range, so there is a difficulty with that kind of thing. But this is what I do with my hobbies a lot of times. I find this thing to be quite cool.